Best online brokers for selling cryptocurrency in 2024. Cryptocurrencies have been quite on the rise since being introduced, with some early investors seeing sizable gains, while those who bought at the peak in late 2021 having likely suffered some major losses. The digital coins have sparked much debate in the investment industry about their investment merits and viability, with legendary investors such as Warren Buffett saying cryptocurrencies are essentially worthless. The collapse of crypto exchange FTX saw many of its executives get charged with crimes in 2022 and caused many to question whether crypto can survive as an investment. If nothing else, the volatility of Bitcoin and other popular coins can make cryptocurrency an attractive trading vehicle and creates the potential for some traders to profit. While some traders like to own the currency directly, others turn to the futures market. Futures may be an even more attractive way to play the volatility of digital currencies, such as Bitcoin, because they allow traders to use leverage to magnify their gains but also magnify losses. But futures involve a lot more risk in exchange for that potentially higher reward. Where can you buy and sell cryptocurrencies? Traditional brokers have the advantage of offering a wide selection of investable securities. Though typically you can't trade Bitcoin directly, only futures. Meanwhile, crypto exchanges are limited to digital currencies. Though you can own the currencies directly and can buy several rather than simply Bitcoin or Bitcoin futures as you would with a general broker. And services like Cash App and PayPal have also gotten in on the act, allowing US users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Here are the best brokers for cryptocurrency trading, including traditional online brokers as well as new specialized cryptocurrency exchanges. You might also want to check out which brokers offer the best bonuses for opening an account to determine where you can get a little extra. Best brokers for cryptocurrency trading in 2024. Robinhood. Robinhood is a great option for buying cryptocurrency directly. You also get to take advantage of Robinhood's widely popular trading commission, $0 per trade or commission free, though you will still be paying a built-in spread markup on any trade. And if you're into more than just cryptocurrency, you can stick around for stock and ETF trades at the same low price. Robinhood's Slick app makes trading so easy. Though, though those looking for a full-featured trading experience will be disappointed. Commission $0, account minimum $0. Interactive brokers. Interactive brokers lets you trade four cryptocurrencies, two Pulse Trust Company and Zero Hash, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, for one of the lowest commissions in the market. Customers can also access 24/7 crypto trading through an associated app with Paxos. Plus, IB allows you to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum futures rather than owning the currencies directly. And in this broker's case, you can buy Bitcoin futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange with contracts costing $5 at 5 coins per contract or Ethereum contracts for $3 at 50 coins per contract. In addition, Interactive Broker brings its full site of investments, so you can buy almost anything that trades on an exchange. Commission 12 to 18% of trade value, $5 per Bitcoin futures contract. Account minimum $0. Webull. Though Webull may be less known than its rival commission-free trading app Robinhood, it provides investors with a solid offering that includes cryptocurrency trading. While you won't pay commissions on crypto trades, Webull does charge a spread markup of 100 basis points on either side of a trade. Several currencies are available for trading, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Chatting tools and an impressive mobile app make Webull a broker worth considering. Commission for Webull $0. Account minimum $1 to trade crypto. TradeStation. Traders have a couple options at this broker, which has rolled out direct crypto trading via TradeStation Crypto. With commission-based pricing for traders, pricing is based on your 30-day crypto trading volume and whether your order is directly marketable. Normally pricing ranges from 0.025% of your order to 0.6%. Traders can also buy and sell Bitcoin futures as well as take advantage of substantial volume trading discounts. Commission 0.025.06%. Account minimum $0, but futures margin depends on contract. Binance US. Binance is a specialized trading platform that allows you to buy and sell digital currencies, including the largest such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also dozens of other smaller coins too. In total, you have to access to around 130 cryptocurrencies. The commission structure at Binance is low and only gets cheaper the more you trade. Trading fees start at 0.45% of your trade value and fall from there, depending on your trading volume over the prior 30 days. Binance finances came under scrutiny in 2022 after the collapse of FTX, the accounting firm used by Binance to verify its reserves and paused its work for all crypto clients and the Securities and Exchange Commission. Since investors should be wary of crypto firm audits, none of the big four accounting firms are willing to work with Binance, according to the Wall Street Journal. The SEC sued Binance in June 2023, alleging that it had illegally operated as an exchange, broker dealer, and clearing agency, and offered and sold unregistered securities. The lawsuit also accused Binance and its founder of misusing customer funds. SEC Chair Gary Gensler warned investors of using Binance platform. Binance said its customers' assets are safe. Commission for Binance 0.4% of the transaction value or less. Account minimum $0. Coinbase. Coinbase is a specialized cryptocurrency focused platform that allows you to trade digital currencies directly, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. In total, you have access to more than 200 cryptocurrencies. You'll also be able to store your coins in a vault with time delayed withdrawals for additional protection. The exchange commission structure is steep. It charges a spread markup of about 0.5% and adds a transaction fee depending on the size of the transaction and funding source, though its advanced trade platform is cheaper. The SEC sued Coinbase in June 2023, alleging it had illegally operated as an exchange, broker-dealer, and clearing agency, and offered and sold unregistered securities. The lawsuit said Coinbase knowingly violated security laws that are designed to protect investors. Coinbase said it would continue to operate its business as usual. Commission for Coinbase 0.5% on advanced trade. Account minimum $0. Kraken. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to trade in dozens of different digital currencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, and as well as emerging ones. You pay a 1.5% fee or 0.9% for stable coins, plus additional fees if you're using a card and funding through a bank. More active traders can benefit from a premium tier called Kraken Pro, where the fee range declines to 0.16% to 0.26%. Kraken is not yet available to residents of New York and Washington states. Commission 1.5% or 0.9% for stablecoins, lower with Kraken Pro. Account minimum $1. Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab is routinely one of Bankrate's pick for top broker, and this investor-friendly company offers trading in Bitcoin futures and also has no account minimum. But any future contracts you trade will require some minimum margin to hold them open. Schwab offers an attractive commission of $2.25 per contract, and if you're able to bring big money to the table, you will receive a welcome bonus too. Commission $2.25 per contract. Account minimum $0. Futures margin depends on contract. TM Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is one of the top full service brokers on the market, and not only does it offer access to traditional products such as stocks and bonds, but it's expanded its offering to include Bitcoin futures. However, TD Ameritrade does not allow trading directly in the cryptocurrency. You will need to meet the account minimum to get started with Bitcoin futures. Commission 2.25 per contract. Account minimum $1,500 for futures. Bottom line, whenever you're selecting a broker, it's important to consider all your needs. And for new traders in cryptocurrency, you need to figure out whether you want to own the virtual currency directly or whether you want to trade futures, which offer rewards higher but also higher risk. If you're looking to get started trading cryptocurrency, here are key things you need to know. You also need to consider whether you want to trade more than Bitcoin, which is the majority of what traditional brokers restrict you to. If not, you may want to turn to cryptocurrency exchange since they offer more choice and tradable currencies. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you for staying with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.